Okay guys, I have a 2005 Chevrolet Tahoe Z71. Been having an issue with wet carpet. I looked up other YouTube videos and they show that there would usually be a leak around this grommet, so I went ahead and sealed it. That didn't fix my issue. What I did find after using some hose, back up in the corner where the fender meets the firewall, Chevrolet welded it with some material which cracked over time, and that's where the water comes from. It wets up all your carpet. I'm gonna go ahead and flex seal it. Figure if the guy can saw a boat in half and put it back together with a flex seal, I should be able to fix that little crack. I will let you guys know how it works. Now I've sealed up both the driver and the passenger side. It was having the same issue on the passenger side, and I did find a crack. It was right up in that area. You'll probably find one too. Alright, to clarify a few things, you won't need to take the seat out, nor will you need to cut the carpet or the insulation. You should be able to just peel the carpet back and peel the insulation back. And spray a little flex seal right in the corner and then let it cure. You can hit it with a blow dryer just to accelerate it a little bit. From there, you put everything back and you should have the problem fixed.